Open the cover by gently lifting it upwards. The tool carriage holds the various tools to move them left and right. The Portrait 4 has a single tool holder. This is where you place tools such as the auto blade or adjustable pen holder. The power terminal magnetically snaps to the top of the tool holder to make it the correct height for seating the optional powered heat pen. The pinch rollers grip and feed the media in and out of the machine. The support rollers hold the media down to prevent it from warping. The right pinch roller and the auxiliary rollers are adjustable to accommodate various media widths. The operation panel is where you perform basic functions such as loading and unloading your media. The Portrait 4 has a lower front cover which must be removed when you need to use the ES mat. Raise the front of the machine, being careful with the top cover. Release the lock at the bottom of the machine. Remove the front cover by lifting away from the machine. Pinch rollers on the Portrait 4 are adjustable to accommodate various widths of materials. The left side is fixed and the right side moves. To change the pinch roller position, raise the pinch roller unit lever completely, slide the pinch roller unit according to the width of the media, and lower the lever to secure the pinch roller unit. Always lift the lever completely when moving the pinch roller unit. Failure to lift the lever or not lifting it all the way can cause damage or failure to the pinch roller. Triangle symbols are printed on the front panel for standard media sizes. Align the symbol on the pinch roller unit with the symbol on the front panel and secure the pinch roller unit. The support rollers hold the media down to prevent the material from warping as it moves. Move the support rollers left and right and set them at positions where the media may likely warp. You will typically place them evenly spaced across the gap between pinch rollers. On the right end of the machine, you will find the power button, the USB interface, and the power connector. The USB interface is used to connect the machine to a computer with a USB cable. The power connector connects the AC adapter. The cable must be plugged in correctly by inserting it fully into the machine. Be careful that it is not only partially inserted. The power button switches the power on or off when held for 2 seconds. When the power button is pressed while the machine is cutting, it acts as an emergency stop button to stop the job immediately. When you power on the machine, the operation panel will light up and cycle through its various buttons as it initializes. The functions available depend on whether media has been loaded or not, and whether a cut action has already been completed. Load or unload your media with the bottom arrows. The position keys are used to move the tool carriage and media position. Press and hold a position key to move the tool carriage faster. The position keys are helpful when positioning the blade for a test cut or if you need to move the media further into the machine. For example, the down position key acts to move the tool downwards in relation to your media. The operation panel also has a repeat job button that will send the same data from Silhouette Studio as your previous job. The Bluetooth button switches Bluetooth on or off. The pause button is used to pause or resume the cutting operation. If you want to cancel the paused cutting operation, press and hold the pause button for several seconds. Remember to use the emergency stop power button to stop a cut job instantly. Do not connect your machine to your computer by Bluetooth or USB until you have installed the Silhouette Studio software.